Can you make eggless tiramisu without even using ladyfinger cookies? Well, in this video, I am going to exactly show you how to make eggless tiramisu without even using ladyfinger cookies. So let's get started. Let's start with the star of the show, whipped cream. In a bowl, take about 150 ml of whipping cream and add about 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar in it. Whip it up until it reaches a fluffy consistency. Can you see the texture? Please do not go ahead with the next step until you get this kind of a consistency. It looks so delicious, isn't it? Once you get this consistency, it is time to add about 125 grams of luxurious mascarpone cheese and continue whipping it for about 2 minutes until everything is very well mixed. Mascarpone cheese needs to be added because it adds that rich and creamy texture to our tiramisu. And you know what is the fun fact? Besides being the main ingredient for our tiramisu, mascarpone cheese is incredibly versatile and can be used in various desserts like cheesecakes and even for frostings for your cupcakes. Let me also give you a quick tip about the mascarpone cheese. It is called as a key ingredient in tiramisu because it adds a very delicate and subtle flavor to the dish. So please do not skip it. It is very important. After this, let us prepare the coffee decoction for our tiramisu recipe. For this, add in about 1 tablespoon of sugar in half a cup of warm water and in that add about 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Mix it very well. This is going to be our soaking syrup. You can use this for even soaking your cakes as well. Now, let's prepare our toast. So instead of using lady fingers, we will use toast which are cut into finger-sized pieces for making our homemade tiramisu recipe. Dip the toast nicely in the coffee decoction which we have made just now. Soak the toast in the coffee mixture and place them into your serving container. You can use a tub or you can also use a glass jar for this recipe. You can even take a large square oven-proof dish for this particular recipe. I got this idea to use toast when many of you asked me in my previous video how to make tiramisu without ladyfinger cookies. I know many of you have actually struggled to find ladyfinger cookies for your tiramisus in your cities, right? Or maybe you have avoided them completely because they contain eggs. Well, do not worry. Try this recipe of making delicious eggless tiramisu without using ladyfinger. This is perfect for family gatherings, Valentine's Day or any simple occasion that you are being very happy about. Once the bottom of your container is nicely filled with the soaked toast, generously layer the whipped cream and mascarpone frosting on top and follow up with another layer of soaked toast. And finally, another layer of whipped cream and mascarpone cheese frosting. Now, since you have stayed watching this video till now, tells me that you are enjoying this recipe. So please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you want to see more quick and easy desserts, be sure to comment tiramisu below. I would love to hear your suggestions for future cake recipes, decoration ideas or home bakery business related content as well. Now, to make this tiramisu look like a fancy tiramisu, let us add that classic tiramisu touch. So for this, let us sprinkle cocoa powder on top using a sieve. Just look at those perfectly layered flavors. And let us finish the decoration by using these mint leaves on top. Can you see how beautiful it looks? And it gets ready in no time. So guys, that's our Italian tiramisu which is ready, where we have not used any eggs, even we have not used any ladyfinger cookies. So come, let me show you the texture of this recipe. The coffee flavor is just bursting in my mouth. It is so yummy. Actually, I can't even talk. The flavors are just bursting in my mouth. So guys, this is such an easy recipe. You can get this recipe ready in under 15 minutes. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how did this recipe turn out for you. This is an Indian version of Italian tiramisu where we have not used any eggs, we have not even used any ladyfinger cookies. So give this recipe a try and let me know how did it turn out for you. So keep sharing your feedback because your feedback helps me create content that you all love. Until next time, happy baking and happy cooking. Thank you so much.